This is KJO Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin doon ng reaction ng video ang next artist from Team Stell for today's video na maglaban-laban for semis. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang galing nung pumunta ng Mama na Nose! Galing! Kaloka!
For Team Stellbound at nakahanda ng dalawang singers with different styles. Kaya umpisahan natin sa kwento ni Hebron Ekan.
Si Hebron!
Hi guys! Welcome to a day in the life of John Hebron B. Ekan. Bibili po pala ngayon ako ng kape. Inutusan po ako ni Mami. Bale, mag-iikot-ikot lang po ako dito and pupunta po tayo mamaya sa clubhouse.
Galing dito si Hebron eh.
Ang napili kong song for you is Maybe This Time. Pero for sing-offs,
oh my God,
gagawin natin something.
Maybe this time.
Ginawa po nga po ako ng
Sing-off pala, hindi the battle, sorry.
May ginawa ka.
Bron is very promising. Ang ganda ng boses
Promising
niya.
talaga siya. Okay.
Ayoko na. Iyak na naman ako para dito. Diyos ko. Pero ang pinaka-na-appreciate ko sa'yo
Promising talaga
is
siya.
how you control yung buong emotion and how you
Hebron,
control yung energy mo from start and yung hatid mo sa first chorus.
So ngayon, napansin ko lang, you're singing to me, pero never mo ako tinignan.
Oh.
Natatakot ka ba na kakagating kita? Pero if there's one
Yung eye-to-eye contact niya.
na nakikita sa mata mo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng kanta.
Actually,
True. The
dati
emotions.
po yun na palagi po sinasabi pa nila Mami na lagi po ako nakapikit. Kay Coach Carl lang po ako na bago.
Alam naman natin, super iconic and kailangan mo talaga ng tamang supply ng hangin.
Sa ngayon po, papakitaan ko po sila ng bagong Maybe This Time. Version po ni Bron.
Version ni Bron. Okay. Maybe this time.
Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know?
Yung low notes niya.
Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Or maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel the way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
Oh! Yung angas niya talaga. I'm expecting that. Oh, good, maglalaban sila ng mama na. Oh my God, ang galing niya. Oh my God, ang galing niya. Ang galing niya. As in, ang galing niya. Uy, magaling siya, B.
Bumanat na ng Maybe This Time si Hebron. Ano kaya ang hinanda ni Alex Baena? From
Si
Stellbound,
Alex?
let's watch this.
From Stellbound pala, oh. Alex, nakalimutan ko si Alex.
This is Alex and welcome to a day in my life. Ito din po yung aircon po namin.
Oh my God! Magaling din to yung Alex.
Pero malamig po yan.
Diyos ko, ang hirap, mami.
Here. Your name is Sir.
Ay, makamayang si Alex. Naka-Chevrolet.
He eats shoes.
Naka-Chevrolet. Hindi mo kaya.
It's making too many sounds.
And yung song na napili ko
Cutie.
for you is Feeling Good.
Oh, classic.
Feeling good?
First time po kasi ako
Really?
mag-sing ng Feeling Good. I don't really know
Oo,
how
yung-
would
Ah,
I sing the
yung ba
song,
yun?
how would I express
Yung ba
the
yun?
emotions.
So, because this song is such a classic,
Ang
pogi ka dito.
good. Tama
Isipin
ba?
mo, ikaw ang pinaka-poging tao sa buong GMA.
Siguro, ang pinaka-mare-request ko na lang, gusto ko ulit makita yung Alex na nakita ko nung blind auditions. Gusto ko maging playful ka. Alex, own the stage.
Nakakabahan pa rin po ako kasi first time ko po sa singing competition.
If you put pressure on yourself, doon tayo magkakaproblema.
So, it's really the confidence. Ano yung tindig mo? Ano yung stance mo? Kung ma-apply niya yon, I feel it, like it's gonna be an amazing performance.
Sisiguraduhin ko po na lumabas ang tunay na Alex for the people watching me and Coach Del po.
Okay. Giselle. G. Show me what your mama gave ya.
Birds flying
Oh
high.
my God, magaling siya, dear.
You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
Ang galing niya.
And I'm feeling good.
Okay.
That's when you shine. You know how I feel. Scent of the pine. You know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine. And I know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's
Well, magaling din siya, pero
it's a new life.
for me, Hebron,
And I'm feeling good.
okay. Oh my God, magaling siya, Wee. Magaling siya. Magaling siya.
Wraps up the sing-off round for Team Stillbound. Coaches, dapat
Tapos na yung
ba may,
Stillbound.
dapat magpatuloy si Hebron at si Alex sa semis. Coach Pablo.
Ang saya, manonood ako sa
Ang galing ni
concert.
Alex.
Paano ko mapipili dito, Stin? Kung ako to, uwi na lang ako. Ako na lang yung matanggal. No?
So paano yan, Coach Stel? Handa na.
With their performance tonight, grabe
Ano
talaga.
ba
Sobrang
mapipili?
mind-blown.
Diyos ko, ang hirap.
Talagang, hindi ko rin alam eh. Parang, ano na, parang talagang binigay nyo na lahat ng kaya nyong ibigay ngayong gabi.
Mahirap man, pero si Coach Stel ay i-reveal na niya yung kanyang desisyon mamaya. Kaya,
Ay, ano,
thank
bibili
you
niya
very
na.
much. And to the
Tapos
whole
na?
Team Stillbound.
Alright, there po guys, sa support for today's video. Diyos ko, ang hirap nito. Si Jenica, Hebron, and Alex. Ang gagaling. Kaloka. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!